guys, welcome to Grace. Today I have gotten this weird slime and I'm gonna open it up with you guys. So let's get started. So I have got this weird slime and we're going to be using some scissors to see what is inside. We are not going to chop this thing, we are just going to see what's inside the slime. So let's go. Okay, let's start our slime. Oh, do you see that? There's a little trail of slime. Oh my gosh, what is this? This feels so weird. Oh my. Wow. Okay, let's open the whole thing. Hello? Are you sleeping or something? Ew, I got one cat. Oh my gosh. Ew. This is so gross. Ew. It makes the grossest noise. Oh. Okay, so it looks like I have managed to get this stuff out. Ew! It's too gross. Oh my God. Oh, so this is what's inside. And you can find this stuff at Five Below. So you can also probably find it at the dollar store. It is very fun to play with. And slimy, very slimy and gross. Feels like I'm just holding a whole bunch of molten lava buggers. I don't know what to call it. So, thank you for watching Grace. Bye! Ew!